A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is cultural intelligence, the key to transforming individuals, societies, and the world. Ladies and gentlemen, we are living in a world today which is divided yet interconnected. The 21st century is a paradoxical age. We are more connected than ever through technology, trade, and travel, yet the world is increasingly divided by culture, religion, politics, and ideology. At the heart of many conflicts, from personal disputes to global tensions, lies a profound lack of understanding and respect for the perspectives of others. This is where cultural intelligence, abbreviated as CQ, becomes essential. Cultural intelligence is the ability to navigate, respect, and adapt to cultural differences with empathy and skill. It is not simply awareness, it is action, turning knowledge into bridges, not walls. As the challenges of globalization, migration, and geopolitical tensions grow, CQ offers us a transformative tool to empower individuals, bridge divides, and create a harmonious and prosperous global community. Let us look at the role of CQ in everyday life, particularly building stronger relationships. Cultural intelligence begins at birth, shaped by family, education, and society. When nurtured, it empowers individuals to navigate the complexities of relationships. Consider the workplace. Studies show that diverse teams with high CQ outperform homogeneous teams by up to 35%. Why? Because CQ fosters inclusivity, allowing each member to bring their best while understanding and respecting others. In personal relationships, a lack of CQ often leads to unnecessary arguments and conflicts. For example, research reveals that cultural misunderstandings are a leading cause of failed marriages in cross-cultural unions. Yet, when couples actively learn and respect each other's cultural values, they build stronger, more enduring partnerships. CQ is not just a skill, it is the foundation of healthier, more fulfilling relationships. What is the cost of ignoring CQ, and what we can learn from history and our world around today? The absence of CQ has often been the root of societal and geopolitical divides. Religion, one of humanity's deepest cultural expressions, has frequently been misunderstood or manipulated, fueling conflicts and mistrust. However, examples like interfaith dialogues in Oman showcase how CQ can create spaces for mutual respect and coexistence. Geopolitically, today's conflicts, whether the Ukrainian war, tensions in the South China Sea, or Europe's refugee crisis, are often exacerbated by an inability to understand or respect the cultural narratives of others. The Good Friday Agreement in Northern Ireland stands as a testament to how CQ can bridge divides, transforming decades of conflict into cooperation. It shows that peace is possible when empathy and dialogue replace suspicion and hostility. CQ is important in leadership also, and it helps in shaping a global vision. Leaders with high CQ have the power to transform not just organizations but societies. Consider figures like Nelson Mandela, who united a divided South Africa through his ability to understand and embrace diverse cultural identities. In the corporate world, global CEOs who prioritize CQ drive innovation and success, as seen in firms like Unilever and Microsoft. Governments and global institutions must also adopt CQ as a guiding principle. Initiatives like UNESCO's cultural preservation programs or the European Union's effort to integrate diverse member states demonstrate how cultural understanding fosters unity and progress. What role can CQ play in the ongoing global tensions? Cultural intelligence offers a pathway to address the pressing conflicts of our time, whether in resolving disputes over borders, managing religious tensions, or negotiating peace in war-torn regions. CQ equips leaders with the tools to foster trust and cooperation. The ongoing Israel-Palestine conflict, for instance, underscores the need for understanding each side's historical and cultural grievances. CQ does not promise instant solutions, but it creates the conditions for meaningful dialogue and ultimately resolution. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, transforming relationships is transforming the world. In a world divided by misunderstandings over religion, history, and culture, CQ is not just a skill, it is a necessity. It enables individuals to respect and adapt to differences, empowering societies to thrive in diversity and equipping nations to engage in meaningful dialogue. Imagine a world where leaders negotiate with empathy, where communities embrace rather than fear diversity, and where individuals resolve conflicts by seeking truth, not dominance. CQ can make this vision a reality. It offers hope for a future where the richness of our differences builds connection, not barriers. The conflicts and tensions of today remind that stakes are high, but the answer lies within our reach. In families teaching children to respect differences, in schools fostering cross-cultural education, and in leaders modeling understanding and inclusivity. By nurturing cultural intelligence, we can transform relationships, heal divisions, and build a more peaceful, prosperous, and unified world. Let CQ be our compass towards this shared future. Good luck, God bless, and thank you very much.